Hey friends, it's me again, your crazy abandoned car hunter. I just followed this trail, hoping today I'll get lucky and find something. Drop how you're feeling in the comments.
Oh look, there's something over there behind that tree. A car!
I'm gonna come in from the other side so it's easier. It's way too overgrown here.
I'm seriously hyped right now. There's a red car over there. I really want to see what it is. No other option, we gotta turn in here. It's fine, we'll make it through. Whoa, do you see that? Something's on the roof. I'm pulling closer. All right, parking mode, engine off. Let's go check it out. Be quiet.
What do we have here? A spray can. It has Jake on it. Look, another one and more over there. I know what this is. Subway Surfers. No way. Is this Jake's Lambo?
Let's check if there's anything inside. Yep, still paint in it.
This is insane. 100% alike right there. And this is a board. I wonder what boosts it has. Maybe I can jump super high. Look at the car, not in great shape. Maybe Jake was escaping the officer and lost control. Let's see what's inside. Yo, guys, a mystery box. No way! I'm opening it right now. What do I get? I got Tricky's hat. Honestly, not bad. I'm keeping it. And look, a chocolate bar? Put it back for now. What's this? Glasses, says Tricky. She was here with Jake. Some kind of uniform. The officer's uniform. I'll just leave it. Let's check the interior. Let's check the interior. Another spray can. Guess they were painting a train and something went wrong. So much dust. I'll at least wipe it off. Climbing in. Really tight in here.
What's on the right? A drink. Nice.
What is this? Hydraulic handbrake? Jake must have loved drifting. Everything else looks rough. Wires hanging. Let's check the engine.
Rust everywhere, leaves, hoses ripped off, and a broken measuring tape. No idea what they were measuring. Taking it off, it's in the way.
Missing spark plugs. No wires either.
Random gloves, hoses, needs to be assembled back together. Looks like an engine swap. I'll grab my tools and we'll fix this Lambo real quick. Definitely need this. Come here. All right, back to the Lambo, start wrenching.
Unboxing time. Grab a screwdriver.
Hose goes back in place. Come on, sweetheart, don't fight me.
Looks like it's holding.
A mirror. We'll put you back too, but first, spark plugs.
Putting them in now. Half the job done. Hand tighten each one.
Go in smoothly. No stripped threads. Now we torque them. Grab a socket and ratchet.
Carefully tighten, there we go.
Pray I don't snap anything. It's working.
Now what's this hose? Oh, goes right there. I'll just push it in. Should seat fine.
And here are the plug wires. They look kind of dried out, but we've got no choice.
They need to go back on. All right, boys, back to work. Like this, looks seated. I'll clip it in. I'll clip it in.
Hallelujah, it worked! Let's put them on the spark plugs like it's supposed to be.
Everything fits without a problem. And this one goes here. Yep, I'm a champion. Mission accomplished. Now let's go grab the battery.
Ugh, this thing is insanely heavy. I hate it. And I also hate these spaghetti piles of wires. Ugh. But the terminals are alive, no repairs need. We'll hook it up real quick and it'll be perfect. Bam, bam, bam. We need to prime the system. Oops, it's flowing. And you, why are you sitting here all lonely?
Bam, you're going back too. You connect right here. Honestly, I still don't understand why this Lambo has this engine.
Let's grab the screwdriver. We're tightening everything down. All right, let's check if anything else is leaking. Hopefully not. See, everything looks okay. The only not okay part is this cap is just lying here. And the system is basically empty, but it's fine. For once, I actually brought coolant, not water.
Here it is. Let's carefully pour in what we've got left.
Can you even use red coolant in a Subway Surfers Lambo? If you know, tell me in the comments. But I don't care because I don't have any other color anyway.
All right, I'm not littering. I'll toss it into the cabin for now. To the base you go. Fly in there. Oh, that seat actually feels nice, but man, there's barely any space in Jake's Lambo.
I don't love it. All right, let's start it. Wait, what? Is this keyless entry or something? There's no key cylinder. The switch clicks, power is on. That already makes me happy. We'll figure out the rest. The transmission looks new. Check out how smooth and light the movement is. Oh, there's a button. Victory! We're about to start it.
Nope, it's not cooperating. I don't like that. What else is wrong? I fixed everything. Let's mess with the carb on this Lamborghini.
A little back and forth, maybe it'll work. All right, I pretended I did something. Let's try again.
Here we go. Button, start. Yes, it started.
Do you hear that roar? Smash the like button right now. This is exactly why I fix Lambos. It stalled again. I don't like that.
All right, we'll fix it properly and then go flex in this Subway Surfers Lambo.
Don't forget to subscribe. Who am I doing all this for? For you. So hit like and leave a comment.
Wow, listen to that. The whole thing is shaken apart, but she's still running strong. I'm amazed by the luxury in this Lamborghini. Look, even the shifter has a massage function, so while you drive, your hand relaxes. Oh my God, friends, I'm so happy I found this abandoned Subway Surfers Lambo. And those sounds. Guys, the engine is practically whispering.
All right, time to wrap up. We need to put all the tools away.
Oh, I just thought of a joke. Listen, Lamborghini owners don't slow down, they just stop suddenly. Jokes aside, we need to close the hood and finally take it for a drive. Let's see what this little beast can do.
Yeah, finding an abandoned Subway Surfers Lamborghini is an insane score. I'm happy, guys. Oh, wait, I forgot to inflate the tires. My brain is full of holes. All right, we'll fix that fast.
I'm grabbing my favorite air compressor.
This thing has been through everything with me. A wife, a dog, sometimes I even sleep next to it. My best friend.
And I literally just closed the hood. Whatever, I'll survive. We'll pump up the tires and then rip through the forest in this abandoned Subway Surfers Lambo.
All right, that's enough, buddy. Tire pressure is like Formula One now. Perfect. Let's move to the next wheel.
Honestly, I hate pumping tires, but with abandoned cars, you're always doing it. They sit for so long that all the air just disappears.
Let's listen to those amazing Lambo sounds one more time.
Job done?
All the tires are inflated. Let's double check and make sure.
Nope, guys. There's another problem here too. All right, we'll fix that as well. By the way, did you see what's going on with the Lambo's trunk? Am I crazy, or wasn't the engine supposed to be back there? Whatever, this is a unique Lambo. I still love it. You don't look a gift horse in the mouth. And in my case, a found one. All right, we're wrapping up. The compressor needs to go back in its protective case. Hood closed, spray cans off the roof, and then we're ready to go. I'll just wipe the glass real quick and we can roll. We're inside, guys, let's go! I'm gonna hit the gas.
I can't really see anything, but I love how it drives. The suspension still does its job even on this road.
All right, let's send it. Time to throw some angle and drift for real. Okay, that didn't go too well, but whatever. Let's step outside. And that's the Subway Surfers Lambo we brought back to life today. Thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, and tell me what you think in the comments. I'll find even more abandoned cars for you. Bye! Check this out. This right here is the boost. We rigged it up ourselves, gives us that extra edge off the line. And that's the Subway Surfers Lambo we brought back to life today. Thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, and tell me what you think in the comments. I'll find even more abandoned cars for you. Bye!